Hi, Simone.
Hi, Esther.
So I hear you work in the build industry and you're very experienced. You have like 10 years. What do you think needs to happen in the build industry regarding sustainable urbanization, specifically in Africa?
Specifically in Africa, interesting question. Okay. Yes, I think we are in between. There is a great tradition of African buildings, and on the other hand, we are in modern. We think in modern structures, modern types of built environment, and I think it's a kind of empowerment if we put both things together. So and this we should do in a sustainable way. So as your indigenous cultural values are sustainability, we should grab that and take it and put it in our concepts. I think that's the most important thing. So in the end, it will be more sustainable, maybe as the current modern way to build our environment.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah. All right. And what do you do something in your work that you're working towards this?
Yes. It is not yet related to Africa, but it is about. In former times, we knew how to build very efficient and how to choose our materials. And I think we have to go back, but maybe with new ways to produce this kind of structures. So this is what I'm focusing on.
Okay, so like kind of like merging, taking the old and introducing a bit of technology to it to ensure we can use it.
To use new techniques.
Okay.
Yes, great. So, Esther, you work with kids.
Yes, I do.
Yes, and you're interested in education. What do you think is the importance of educating?
Yeah. So education in the sense of sustainability or sustainable urbanization in Africa, I think is very important because a lot of the children or the youth who are now going to be the people who are building this world for, they are not aware of what sustainability is, of how they can have sustainability practices. So we need to invest in that. We need to make them aware of it. We need to expose them to what it means when we say sustainability and sustainable materials or resources, so that they become aware. Because in the generations to come, they are the ones who are going to be responsible for ensuring that this sustainability continues to happen.
Great. Yeah. Can you give an example how you do that?
Yeah. So ideally, like for myself in Kenya, what we do is we partner with local schools and we have this extracurricular program where their schools invite us to have sessions with the kids, and we teach them aspects of sustainability, aspects of character development, values, things that ideally lack from the education system, so that we're able to ensure that they are well equipped to live harmoniously in the sustainable world that we're working towards.
Thank you very much. Very interesting.
Thanks.
Say falconers.
Falconers.